Okay, so I'm going to record some of the problems on the homework, the distribute, then combine like terms. I'm just going to work my way through them and post the videos for you, okay? All right, so this one looks like it'll probably be problems 1 through 6, depending on how quickly I can get through it and if they'll upload. And then we'll just do them in batches. Okay, so question number 1. We have negative 10v minus 3 times 8 plus v. We got our bracket. So let's go to PEMDAS. Is there anything inside the parentheses that we can do anything about? No like terms to combine. Okay. Do we see any exponents on our variables? Nope. Nothing we need to do there. Do we see multiplication? We do. And in this case, it's just this negative 3. I need to multiply this constant into the bracket. That's where we distribute. The 10v is going to sit by itself. So I'm just going to bring it down. So negative 3 times positive 8, different signs is a negative 3 answer. And then we do negative 3 times positive v, which two different signs again, negative answer, 3v. Combining like terms, I have a negative 10v and a negative 3v. Combine 10 more. Negative 3 is 3 more negative, so that's 10 on the number line. To the left, 3 more. That's 13. Negative 13v and minus 24. Number 2. Negative 2 minus negative 2 times 2 minus 8b. Oh, just saying that makes my brain hurt. Okay, so the way we do this is always remember that this first 2, this constant, is all by itself. Do we see anything inside the brackets that we can combine? No. So let's go on to exponents. We don't see any exponents, so we don't have to worry about that. Multiplication, a negative 2 times a positive 2 is going to give me a negative answer, negative 4. So negative 2 times a negative 8b, same signs, positive answer. 2 times 8 is 16, and bring down your variable. Remember that negative 2 in the front, that little constant sitting there? We're going to bring it over here. Looking for like terms. My negative 2 and my negative 4 are like terms, or constants without variables. So combining the negative 4 on the number line and going 2 more to the left, it's going to land us on negative 6. And then we have left over a positive 16b. There's your answer. Negative 6 plus 16b, that's number 2. Number 3. 1 plus 2 times 4x plus 1. Do I have anything in the brackets that I can do anything about? No. Do I have any exponents? No. Multiplication, well, this constant's way out here, and there's a positive sign and a number that separates it from the bracket, so the multiplication starts here. 2 times 4, it's positive to a positive, it's an answer that's positive, it's 8x. 2 positive times 1 positive is positive 2. I'm going to bring my 1 down, it's an implied positive 1. Now I'm looking for my like terms. Positive 1 and positive 2 makes positive 3, and I still have my positive 8x hanging out, and that's my answer for number 3. Positive 3 plus 8x. Number 4. Negative 8 times 1 minus 4n, all that, and then minus 2. PEMDAS. Anything in the parentheses I can combine? No like terms. Do I see any exponents that I need to be concerned about? Nothing yet. So let's go to multiplication. This 8 right next to the bracket says I should multiply it. So we're going to distribute the 8 into the bracket. Negative 8 times positive 1, different signs, negative answer. Negative 8 times negative 4, same signs, positive answer. 8 times 4 is 32, and don't forget the variable. Now on the outside of the bracket, I still have my negative 2n. I'm not going to do anything with it, but bring it over. Now I'm looking for combining like terms. The 8 is a constant, but it stands alone because there's nothing else. The 32n, and that's a positive 32n, and the negative 2n, those are like terms. So I can combine them. 32 is on the far right side. 2 means I have to go back 2 places to the left. So 32 minus 2 gives me 30, and oh, let's not forget that's a positive because my larger number is a 30. My larger number is a positive, and then I still have my negative 8 out front. So there's your answer. Negative 8 plus 30. Down to number 5. Negative 2 times negative, I'm sorry, it's 2 times negative a minus 8 plus 7a. So, anything inside the brackets? No. Any exponents? No. So now we're going to go to multiplication. Let's distribute our 2 into the bracket. 2 times negative a is negative 2a. 2 times negative 8 is negative 16. And then we have a plus 7a on the outside of the bracket. Like terms, we have a negative 2a and a positive 7a. Positive 7 minus 2 is a positive 5a. Hanging out still is the negative 16. And there's your answer.